I was even taping. Right there. There's a lot of fire in that middle right there. Oh. See that right there? That's a big fire. You see that? Yeah.
I was like, why people building houses and shit all up there?
Yeah.
Stick your hand. Let me get you over. You want to get a better shot? Get it, Clarice. Damn it.
I can't see it. I'm trying to see the fire. See the fire right there?
You gotta learn how to turn. Put your hand out of the window. Just don't.
No, I want to. If I drop my phone, it's going to be history, child.
Your glasses turned all the way to the side.
Who? See, when it does, it spreads in the wind. Oh, it's more fire right here. See the end?
But they do. Oh, it's over there to the right. See that?